In today's video, we are going to show you how to cancel an Apple Media Services subscription using your iPhone, iPad, Mac, or even a web browser. Whether it's Apple Music, Apple TV Plus, iCloud Plus, or another subscription billed through your Apple account, this guide will walk you through every step. So on your iPhone or iPad, begin by opening the Settings app. You will see your Apple account or your name. This is where you can manage everything related to your Apple account, including subscriptions, payment methods, and purchases. Now, I need you to tap subscription. Here you will see all your active and expired subscriptions that are billed through Apple Media Services. Take a moment to locate the subscription you'd like to cancel. Now, if in case you don't see the subscription you're looking for, make sure you're signed in with the same Apple account used to purchase it. If the service bills you directly rather than Apple, you need to cancel it with that provider instead. Now, of course, tap the subscription you want to cancel. In my case, I am going to cancel my iCloud Plus subscription. Okay, Apple will ask you to confirm your decision. Tap confirm to proceed. Once confirmed, your subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing period. And of course, you won't be charged again unless you subscribe again later. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to cancel an Apple Media Services subscription that only takes a few minutes once you know where to look. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.